my revenue for 2019 was... Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. This is actually the first video on the channel for 2020. So first of all, happy new year's to everyone. If 2019 was not your year, then make sure you guys smash the like button right now if you want good luck for the rest of the year. Anyways, today's video is gonna be a little bit different. If you've never seen my videos before, I make videos about my vending machine business. I currently have 25 vending machines on location, which I fill them up with candy, chips, drinks, literally everything you would put into a vending machine. And then I collect the money from my vending machines and I show you guys exactly how much money I make. So if I show you guys how much money I make from my vending machines, then it's only fair that I show you guys exactly how much money I made from YouTube in 2019. Which, by the way, quick little spoiler, you guys are not gonna wanna miss this. Make sure you guys watch the whole video because it was a good year. And also, by the way, if this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll make a separate video showing you guys exactly what I spent all of my YouTube money on. And yes, I said all of it because it's all gone.
Bro, dude, what the You're pissing me off here, man. You're pissing me. You made me so happy in the beginning, and now you crushed it.
Anyways, yeah, so today, instead of me collecting money from my vending machines, we're gonna be collecting money from YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all do, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so here we go. Before I actually show you guys my YouTube statistics and let you guys know how much money I actually made in 2019, I first want to give you guys a quick little backstory on how I got started with my channel, what got me motivated, and when I posted my first video. So here we are on my channel. If we go all the way to the bottom, you guys can see I posted my first video 11 months ago. So technically it hasn't even been a full year. And this video of course has 1.2 million views. It did really good for my first video. I'm gonna be honest, I feel like the reason why my videos did so good in the beginning, it could be because in pretty much every single thumbnail, I have a big stack of money in a thumbnail. And I'm pretty sure that attracted a bunch of people. And that's what helped me grow. I'm gonna be honest. My first video was only 6 minutes and that's it. That's the first video. It was in my car. Comment down below if you guys remember my white car. It was a 2-door convertible, so I really have no idea how I was able to run my vending machine business in this car. I think back then there was only like 2 people making vending machine videos, and I was like, you know what, that looks kind of fun. So one day I went to go service my vending machines. I collected the money, I restocked the machines, I pulled out my camera, I recorded the whole thing, and boom, there we go. I guess people want to see a kid pulling money from a vending machine. Anyways, let's go into my analytics and see how we did on the first month on YouTube. So I'm gonna go up here and click on a custom date. So let's do let's do the beginning of the year. Alright, so that's for the first 30 days. Let's click on apply and see how we did. Oof, that's pretty bad. You guys can see we got 500,000 views. We got 25,000 hours of watch time. In the first 30 days, we got 7,000 subscribers. But if we take a look at this, we made no money. So in this graph, we can see how many views I was getting every single day on my first month. And in the beginning, y'all can see I was getting, 68, I was getting 260, 400, 300. But the reason why I wasn't making any money at all is because I had just started my channel and I wasn't monetized in the beginning. So I literally couldn't make money. And if we go down here, we can see the #1 video was my first video that I posted. That video alone, we got 363,000 views in the first 30 days. And yeah, that was the first month on YouTube. You guys know this doesn't happen too often. So I'm really grateful for everyone that helped me grow my channel, everyone that, has been here since the very beginning. So now let's check out March, just because March was my biggest month on YouTube. We got a ton of subscribers in March. So there it is, March 1st all the way to April 3rd. Let's click apply. And there it is. You guys can see we got 4.4 million views in March, literally 3 months after I posted my first video. But here's the best part. So we got 50,000 subscribers in one single month. And it also kind of makes me sad because it hasn't been that good ever since. So good times, good times. So in March, for 4 million views, we made $13,499. That, like, what? Guys, again, like I said, this was 3 months after I posted my first video. Before I posted my first video, I only had maybe like 200 bucks, 300 bucks at the most in my bank account. Like, I'm gonna be honest, if somebody came up to me at the beginning of the year and was like, you're gonna make $13,000 in 1 month, I would have just walked away out of that conversation. I would have thought that was like a crazy person or something, because there's no way. So before we continue, I do want to give you guys a big thank you for everyone that has been watching my videos forever. Everyone that likes and comments on every single video. You guys really did change my life. So shout out to everyone. I love you guys. But with that being said, not every YouTuber gets paid the same way, just because it all depends on the CPM. For those of you that don't know what CPM is, it's basically how much money you get paid per 1,000 views. And for some reason, channels that make videos about investing, credit cards, you know, how to save your money and stuff, those channels actually have some of the highest CPM on YouTube. A really good example is the man Graham Stephan. Shout out to him. He makes some dope content and he makes videos about credit cards and investing. And he also made a video showing exactly how much money he made from YouTube in 2018. And taking a look at his graph, he got 64,000 views, but he got $1,000. So now let's go back to my channel and you guys can see that for 67,000 views, I only got $162. So me and him got pretty much the same amount of views, but for some reason he made 5 times more money than I did. He got 434,000 views and made $3,400. Imagine waking up one day and knowing that you made $3,400 in 24 hours. That's how you know you made it. So now real quick, let's check December of 2019 and see how we ended off the year before I actually show you guys how much money I made for the whole year. And we ended off the year with 2 million views in 1 single month. We got 13,000 subscribers, which it's not the best. You guys saw in March, we got 50,000. But you know, it's still a pretty good month. And for the revenue, we got a whopping $11,048 for the last month of the year. You guys can see the highest day was actually on December 4th and we got $800. And then of course it goes back down and you know we started making $473, $415, $399, and then of course it goes back up, $554, $525. With YouTube it's always up and down, so you really never actually know how much you're gonna make. Okay, so look, check this out. The number 2 video for December was this one, collecting money from my 4 vending machines, which got 234,000 views in December. But look at that, I posted this video March 4th. That's what, like 8 months ago I think, and this video is still making me money. You know, it's still one of the best videos on my channel. Anyways, it's now time for the big question. How much money did I actually make in 2019? Well, all we gotta do is go up here and click on 2019 and you guys will see exactly how many views I got, how much money I made. But before I click on it, I do want to say that, you know, this video was not meant to brag. It wasn't meant for me to show off how much money I made. You guys know, ever since I started making videos, I've always told you guys how much I make from, you know, vending machines. I basically want to keep it real with you guys because, you know, first of all, none of this would have ever happened if it wasn't, you know, for you guys watching the videos, dropping likes, commenting on every single video. So again, it wasn't meant to show off. And second, for some reason, people like to see how much people actually make. So yeah, now let's actually click on it and let's see how much we actually made in 2019. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. There we go, 2019, and there it is. You guys can see, I honestly don't even know what to say. I really don't. So for the whole year of 2019, we got 29.9 million views. We got 271,000 subscribers, which also is a pretty big number. Now I can say that I love 271.1 thousand people. My revenue for 2019 was $122,108. Like what? That's... It's also kind of funny because in the beginning my goal was to hit 100,000 subscribers by November, which we actually hit it in April, a day before my birthday. I think it was like April 5th. Also, if we go down here, we can see the #1 video on the channel, and it's this one, collecting money from my 4 vending machines. That video has 6.3 million views alone. If we click on it, we can see how much money it actually made. Wow, so that video alone made $24,000, and we got 53,000 subscribers from this video alone. I do want to mention that just because I made $122,000, that doesn't mean I have $100,000 in my bank account right now. I wish I did, but of course, you guys saw we moved out, we bought a truck, you know, I bought cameras, vending machines, and the worst one, taxes. So sadly, the more money you make, the more money you have to pay. So for me, let's say, you know, I made $122,000. I actually have to pay 30%. So let's multiply that by 30 and it comes out to $36,000. And yes, of course, you know, we have write-offs, we got deductions, which can lower the cost, but in the end, you still gotta pay taxes. But besides that, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That right there, again, is how much money. And again, if you guys want a separate video on what I spent all the YouTube money on, let me know down below and drop a like on the video. And again, thank you guys so much for all the support in 2019. Everyone that has been here since the very beginning. Thank you guys so much. I love every single one of you. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video and peace out.